I'm Miss Cat. Whoa. Hi, I'm Miss Maxine. Hi, I'm Miss Betsy. Welcome to the garden!
Hi, garden friends. Miss Betsy here. Welcome back to garden. Today, we're going to make a rainbow stir fry using different garden plants. And those plants are so good at capturing the sun's light energy and using it to make their own food. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our energy from the plants. They get their energy from the sun. Are you ready? Let's go out into the garden and harvest some veggies for our stir fry. Do you recognize this vegetable? That's right. It's a broccoli plant. Let's harvest it. How about this one? That's right. They're kale plants. We had a little frost last night, but they'll still taste good. Do you recognize this vegetable? We don't eat the top part of the plant. We eat the bottom that grows under the soil, the root. That's right. It's a carrot. Welcome to my kitchen. Now that we have our garden harvest and a few other veggies that I pulled from my fridge, let's go ahead and get started on our stir fry. Step number 1, wash your hands. Step number 2, wash the vegetables. So together with an adult, go ahead and grab some cutting boards, grab a cheese grater, and have that adult grab a knife, and we can get going preparing our stir fry. I'm working with cabbage, kale, green onions, broccoli, peppers, and a carrot. But you can put lots of different things in a stir fry. Let's start with our carrot, and we're going to grate it. Be careful of those fingers. Let's take our kale, and we can tear it into bite-sized pieces. Next up, let's take our cabbage. Now I'm going to take my green onion. If you have an adult with you, they can help you chop it, or I just like to tear it into pieces. Let's take that broccoli, and we'll go ahead and cut that up too. Again, with the help of an adult. Placing my fingers like a little paw, placing my knife tip down on the cutting board, and every time I cut, I'm being careful where my fingers and my thumb are. Then we'll take our peppers. Same story, make a paw, tip on the cutting board, and chop. Let's go ahead and take those seeds out of there. One thing that makes food taste extra tasty are seasonings. That's how we give food a little extra flavor. For stir fry, you can do a simple seasoning with a little salt and pepper. Another option is to add some soy sauce, which is nice and salty, a little sesame oil for some extra flavor, and a few sesame seeds on top. All right, let's get cooking. So we have all of our supplies, and you're going to want an adult for this part. You're going to turn on your stovetop with the help of an adult. You're going to put the heat down to about medium temperature, and then measure in your oil. It's helpful to have a spoon or a spatula to help move things around while you're cooking. Then go ahead and add your veggies. Why do you think they call it stir fry? Because you're cooking it and you're stirring it. So let's go ahead and cook and stir for a while. Take that soy sauce sesame combo, and we're just going to pour it on the food. After I had spent a little time stirring, I went ahead and turned off my burner, and I'm going to let this cool off, and we'll have a taste. Now let's see what it's like to eat a rainbow. Seriously? That is so good. Yum. Garden friends, as always, it was so wonderful to be with you today. Thanks so much for joining me in making a rainbow stir fry. Before I let you go, I do want to give you your garden challenge. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, you totally guessed it. I want you to make a rainbow stir fry at home with the help of an adult. Good luck out there, everybody. Bye-bye. See you next time.